In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many requests error in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step you want to take is to close Microsoft Teams completely and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before reopening it. This brief waiting period allows the request limit to reset, which is often just what you need to resolve this issue. Once you've given it some time, the next step is to ensure the application is not running in the background. If you're using a Windows computer, simply right-click the Teams icon located in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen and select the option that says Quit. For Mac users, the process is similar. Just right-click the Teams icon in the dock and choose Quit. This step is crucial, as sometimes the app might still be processing background requests that could lead to the error. After quitting, we'll move on to clearing the cache. Clearing the Microsoft Teams cache files is an effective way to force the app to build fresh data and break free from any repeated request loops. To do this, exit Teams, then navigate to the cache folder on your device. For Windows users, you can find the cache files at the following location: Sent App Data, Microsoft Teams. Just paste that into your File Explorer and hit Enter. For Mac users, you will look for the same files under /Library, Application Support, Microsoft/Teams. Once you find the cache files, feel free to delete them. After that, reopen Microsoft Teams, and it should start anew. Next, let's check your internet connection. An unstable network can cause Teams to repeatedly resend requests, which results in that annoying error message. Ensure your connection is stable. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, consider restarting your router. This can often resolve any underlying problems that may be affecting your connection. Now, let's turn to ensuring that you have the latest version of Microsoft Teams. Keeping your app up to date helps eliminate any potential bugs that could be contributing to the error you're experiencing. To do this, open Teams, head over to the Settings menu, which you can access by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, look for the Check for Updates option and install any updates that are available. Finally, if the too many requests error still persists, even after trying all these steps, it may be time to contact support. Reach out to your IT administrator or get in touch with Microsoft Support. They can check for any account-level restrictions or service throttling that might be affecting your access to Teams. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively address the too many requests error in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get back to collaborating seamlessly in